students, this is HP Kesardhani from Walteli College handling mathematics. Today we are going to deal with CET classes on mathematics on differentiation chapter. So few questions I have collected and I will be solving using some tricks here and we will be going through the actual concept as well. Okay. So if at all the differentiation of y of x raised to x, y function raised to function if it is given, then how to find out the differentiation dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to what? Differentiation of y with respect to x. See, one particular example here I have taken x raised to x it is. Okay. So in the case if you get f raised to g, function raised to function formula, in that case you have to apply log both sides and you have to get it solved. So applying log for which region? To make it simple. Okay, if I go by actual method, it is like time consuming. So with the tricks also we will be solving the same example and many more examples of the same kind. But first let us go through the actual concept. Okay, so what was the procedure? To make it function raised to function, if it is to make it a function into function form, apply log 1 on both sides. So here what you get? Log y, and here you get log x raised to x. Am I right? So as it is log a raised to n means we will be saying log n log a. This is formula. Then this will be a, this is n log a. It means what? X log x. This is log y. And if you differentiate with respect to y, no, what you get with respect to y? You have to go by using chain rule wherever it is applicable, product rule wherever it is applicable, quotient rule, that all you know, you are already aware of. Log y. So derivative differentiating with respect to x it is. Okay. So y is not a constant, y is a function. That's why what we have to do, log the derivative is 1 by y. Next y the derivative is dy by dx or y dash according to the pattern with which you are familiar with, you can just write. So here differentiation is required. There are two functions, one is x, another is log x. So you go by UV rule or 1 into 2 the pattern. According to the pattern, first function u as it is derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is derivative of x is 1. So it is 1 plus log x. Okay. Only dy by dx if it is required, this 1 by y. If it is shifted here, what you get? Y. Is it not? So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x into y. What is y? Y is nothing but x raised to x. Is it not? So this is the answer what we get with the actual concept. Okay. The same answer if at all we are going to be tried here, you can use the trick f raised to g, f of x raised to g of x. In that case f g, g by f dash x plus log f into g dash. This is formula you have to remember and you will be getting the final answer directly in this case. So let me mark x raised to x. No, this is our f, which is f. Okay, which is g, this is g. According to the formula, just check it out, f raised to g, f raised to g, it means x raised to x. G by f means x by x. F dash, f is x, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So this is 1 plus log f means x log x into g dash means this is g is equal to x, g dash means derivative of g. So derivative of x is 1. Just check this out. X raised to x is getting cancelled and we are left with x raised to x 1 plus solving by actual procedure. Check this out, which is time consuming. Here the actual procedure, but this is to be written in. So this formula you need to remember students. If you get f raised to g, function raised to function ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ raised to function ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು log ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಸಿಇಟಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. In that case, it is very much required for you to remember few tricks to solve differentiation examples. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So the same thing here I collected few examples, different examples that let me solve using the trick there. Okay, ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡುವ. ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು f raised to g. f raised to g ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, f raised to g, g by f, okay, f dash log f g dash. ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ f, ಯಾವುದು g, that we have to identify. So whether log x, is it f, x, is it g, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ f raised to g, f means log x, raised to g, raised to g means raised to x. Next, g by f, g means x, f means log x. Please don't cancel x, log x is different, x is different. Into f dash, this is f, its derivative. Log x derivative is what? 1 by x, no? So 1 by x. I hope by this time you will be remembering the formula of differentiation. Differentiation of sign is cos the derivative minus sin, e raised to the derivative, e raised to x raised to n the derivative, n into x raised to n minus 1, tan the derivative secant square x, secant derivative secant into tan. Okay, so all these things, the list of formulas should be in front of you, then only you will be identifying the results very soon and make it complete. Okay, where were we? Here plus ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ next log f, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, log ಬರಿಬೇಕು, log ದಲ್ಲಿ f ಬರಿಬೇಕು. f is nothing but log x. Don't have to get panic. By the formula, even if you solve it in detail, you will be getting the same answer. Into g dash, g auxiliary x, x is the derivative ಏನು 1. That's it. This is our answer. Further simplification ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ you just go through cancellation ಆಯಿತು 1 by log x plus log of log x into 1 is immaterial, whole bracket log x raised to x. See how much time it is utilized here? Hardly 2 minutes. Is it not? Only the thing I can understand, you have to remember this formula. But when you practice number of questions, no, you will be remembering this formula easily. Okay? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಹೈಪರ್ಬೋಲಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ and use this formula. You will be memorizing that formula after practicing n number of questions again and again. Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ವಸ್ತು ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it will not be registered in our mind. You have to practice, then only you will be getting through. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So next ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾಡುವ. Here what is f, what is g, this we mark. ಈಗ ಬರ್ರಿ f raised to g. f raised to g means the given function sin x raised to cos x. g by f cos x by sin x. Next plus f dash f is sin x derivative ilri cos x. Next plus formula ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಡೇಟಾ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. log f ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ sin x log sin x okay into g dash g is cos x derivative ಏನು minus sin x. So here I will put minus sin x this is cos x now. So minus sin x is the derivative. Idu bracket illi close ಮಾಡಿ. So further simplification it should be, so what I will do, sin x raised to cos x as it is, cos into cos ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ cos square x divided by sin x plus log sin x minus sin x. This sin and sin you should not group, multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ. So you can just club what signs plus into minus together it gives minus. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ as it is the function ಬರೆಯಿರಿ log sin x into, this is our answer. Done. Is it not? So function raised to function if it is. As for these examples, I tell you to create your own examples and get to know what is the solution using this trick. And this can be also referred as the verification for your exams, theory exam question papers. You can just go through the solutions very quickly. Got it? Okay. Next, let me make you understand one more kind. Suppose you are getting the function of this form. Y equal to, check this, root cos square plus root cos square plus under square root cos square plus under square root cos square, like that it continues till infinite numbers, end illa adake. So that is y function. If it is y function, in this case how to find out y? Using again the same kind of trick we are using here. So very simple, you can just note it down, f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. So ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Even if the function is very lengthy, after seeing the function you should not be getting panic. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತಿ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will be in loss. What to do? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐತೆ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ರಿ, ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐತಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, you can utilize f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, so ಮೊದಲು ಏನು f ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಅದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. dy by dx, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y, if this is our formula and this is the hint trick. f of x ಏನೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ cos square x. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ this trick is not going to be useful. The same function cos square means cos square till infinite it should be. Okay, so what is f of x? Cos square is f of x. Shall I mark this one? This is our f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to cos square x. Cos square x means what? Cos x the bracket square. Why I have written this one you will understand later. Okay, so what is our answer? dy by dx is equal to, what is that? 2y minus 1. In the denominator you write 2y minus 1. But what do you mean by y? Y is the given function. Y is this, the longest expression is there, now that given function is y. So if in options longest functions are there, then you can take it as y and compare. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಅದಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ y ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ y ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆದಿರಬಹುದು. You have to just remember what is y. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, f dash x. f dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cos x ದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. f dash means what? Derivative of the function with respect to x ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು x ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು x ಗೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x is hidden inside the bracket. First you have to clear this one degree, then clear cos, then you will be reaching what? X. So one by one link ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಲಿಂಕ್ ಹಾಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಮೊದಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಗ್ರಿದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? n into x raised to n minus 1. That is 1. 2 minus 1 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1. x raised to I told, but here x ಇಲ್ಲ, cos x ಇದೆ. So cos x. Got it? Next, cos x. It is not sufficient. You have to reach about this. ಈಗ 2 ಆಯ್ತು. Next cos ಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. cos ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು? minus sin x. x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 1. Otherwise cos x derivative is minus sin x. So this differentiation kind is said to be what? Do you remember? Chain rule. Is it not? Chain rule. ಒಂದು chain ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ x ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ, x ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೆ. Got it? So 2 cos x minus sin x. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Plus into minus is minus 2 cos x into sin x divided by 2y minus 1. So if you know the further details of this one, what it will be? 2 cos x into sin x is equal to sin 2x. Is it not? And minus sign carried as it is. Sin 2x by 2y minus 1. See? Function, it was in very lengthy expression. But the trick, what is it? F dash divided by 2y minus 1. Derivative ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Differentiation ದಲ್ಲಿ derivatives ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. So you have to take effort to memorize the formula on differentiation. Am I right? Okay. ಈಗ f ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? sin x. So this is our f. dy by dx is nothing but 2y minus 1 denominator ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ. Next f dash x, sin x derivative is cos x. ನೋಡಿ, is this simple? Over. That's it. I have not given options 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very first class. No? I am just making you aware of the procedure, how can the tricks will be applied to get the results quickly. So in the next class I will be just writing the options also. It will be very helpful to you to guess the correct answer. Is it? So first we will be like introducing the chapter with the basic formulae, brush up the thing we will do now. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan x plus tan x ಈ ರೀತಿ up to infinite terms ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, dy by dx ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2y minus 1 ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ tan x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು? secant square x. ಮುಗಿತು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ನೀವು f ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದರದ್ದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ tan into secant square x. It is like very a simple example. Okay, ನೀವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೀವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. y is equal to, only to get familiar with the trick. I am telling you to construct the questions by yourself. So question ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ? It is your choice. It can be like e raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to x plus so on. Okay, like this it continues up to infinity. Okay, dy by dx is equal to what? You just tell me what is this? 2y minus 1. Next, e raised to x derivative is e raised to x. Suppose e raised to minus x is there. In that case, what it will be? E raised to minus x into minus 1, or else you can directly write minus e raised to minus x. Okay, this is the thing. Next, suppose this is about third trick. I will make you understand afterwards. First, you concentrate on this example. What is this? d by dx of one expression ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Okay, this one I will put cos x. Okay, d by dx of such function.
Yes.
So d by dx of u by v, if it is numerator by denominator, you can take by that way as well. Formula ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? that will be like a time consuming. So if ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ. So the derivative of the function with respect to x, denominator square ಅಂತ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ 3x + 5 the whole square ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ. 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ 4 ರಾಗ 1 ತೆಗೆದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಉಳಿತೈತಿ, 3 ರಾಗ 1 ತೆಗೆದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಉಳಿತೈತಿ, 2 ರಾಗ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Now you check the denominator as it is 3x + 5 and the derivative of 4x + 2. 4x derivative is 4, 2 the derivative, constant derivative 0. ಇಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು. Next minus sign, 4x + 2 as it is. Next derivative of 3x + 5. So this is 3. Next what to do? You have to open the bracket, group the similar terms, then you have to make a final expression that is considered as the final answer. So brackets open ಮಾಡುವ. 4 3s are 12x, 4 5s are 20, minus 3 4s are 12x, 3 2s are 6 with minus sign, this is 6. Okay, divided by denominator square, idantu irode, idralli changes illa, this you don't expand. Minus 12x plus 12x cancels and you will be finding 20 minus 6 is equal to 14 divided by the denominator square 3x + 5 the square it is. So this is our final answer. Okay, so expansion in the sense open the bracket, grouping the similar terms, that is somewhat time consuming. So there is one trick you can use further here. Okay, check d by dx of a f of x plus d, c f of x plus d, determinant a b c d, f dash x divided by denominator square. So this is our trick. So using that trick I will again show you, are we going to get the same answer? Please do remember what was the answer. 14 divided by 3x plus 5 the bracket square. So afterwards we will be dealing with this question. Okay, shall we try? Determinant. See if this is the form, a f of x plus b, c f of x plus b. F of x, it can be any function, not only algebraic, it may be hyperbolic, it may be trigonometric, it may be exponential, it may be any kind of logarithmic function as well. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು, determinant ಹಾಕಿ a b c d ಬರಿಬೇಕು. a b c d means what? Only the numbers, coefficients. ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 4, 2 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2, 3 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗೆ 3, ಇದರ ಕೆಳಗೆ 5. So determinant. Next f means what? This is our x, no? X the derivative, f dash is required, that is 1. Divided by the denominator square, this is very known, 3x plus 5 the square. Now you check it out. Determinant ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, determinant open ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. 2 plus 2 determinant ಇನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ you can just go by the concept. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So 4 5s are what? 20. Next ಇದರದ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 2s are 6. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, in between minus sign you have to put. Next the denominator as it is. ಇದು expansion ಅಂತೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು? Determinant expansion. Now check the formula answer. 20 minus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ? That is 14. 14 divided by 3x plus 5 the bracket square. ಇದು answer. Is it the same answer we were getting in the previous example for the same question? Is it not? Okay. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಗ್ರಾಜುಯಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೇಡ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋದು. 4 5s are 20, 3 2s are 6. ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಬರ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 4 5s are ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. 4 5 20, 3 2s are 6, in between minus sign. ಬಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. u by v ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ v ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Is it not? Shall I repeat? ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ ಸೇಸ್. ಈಗ the same kind I will try it by taking different constants for your practice. Okay, here I will take 2 3 3 4. Now tell me the answer quickly. Can you try the denominator square? 3x plus 4 the square, correct? Next 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9, in between minus sign, answer ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ -1. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. That's it. Within less than 1 minute we got it solved. Is it not? For example, d by dx of 3x minus 3 4 minus 4x minus 2 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಇದರದ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 3 plus of minus 3 minus 4 plus of minus 2 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 minus 2 that is minus 6, minus 3 minus 4 is equal to plus 12. Plus 12 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. I told you to put the results in the bracket, then you make minus sign in between the parenthesis. Denominator square. Denominator ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, minus 4x minus 2 the square. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. minus 6 minus 12 is equal to what? Minus 18 divided by this. Is it not? Is this very easy? Can you apply the trick and solve further examples by yourself? Check it out. Okay. So now what I will do, I will not use this formula. This is actual formula to be used. What are we dealing with the short tricks? No, these are applicable only for cracking what? CT questions, J questions. To get the answer, to identify the correct answer quickly with the short tricks. That is the purpose. Got it? Now this is our question. 4 sin x 3 cos x plus 8 sin x plus 1 cos x. Okay, shall we try? A, B, C, D. 4 into 1, 4. 3 into 8, 24. In between minus sign, denominator square over. Got it? So this is about second. Check it now here. 3x plus 7, 2x minus 2. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 7 into 2, 14. In between minus sign, divided by the denominator square, 2x minus 1. Answer is minus 17 divided by this one. Next, log x. One more, we didn't apply the previous example also. Log f dash x, I just forgot. See, I'm really sorry. What was that example? Sin x it was with. So sin x the derivative cos x with the result cos x. Okay, divided by the denominator square. Next, okay, let me deal with that one more example. D by dx of 4 sin x plus 3 divided by 3 sin x minus 3. Got it? So if this is the case, then what is f of x? F of x is sin. In previous example, no, only x it was. So the derivative of x equal to 1 with the value 1, the result it was like immaterial, means remains the same. So but here when we will be getting other than x, suppose sin x, e raised to x, tan x, the derivative of tan x is not 1, no? So it is secant square x. That's why what you have to do, first identify f. Now you check. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, divided by y minus sign determinant expansion, no, that one. 3 sin x minus 3 bracket square. So this is the thing. Okay. Now again one more thing we are forgetting. What is that? Did you notice? F dash. F dash is nothing but cos x. 12 minus 12 minus 9 is equal to minus 21 as it is into cos x, nothing cancels. here 3 sin x minus bracket square. So bracket square is 3 sin x minus 3 the bracket square. Okay? Check with this option. 4 tens are 40. 8 minus 7 is a minus 56. In between minus sign into f dash. Log x is our f dash, no? F dash is 1 by x. Divided by the denominator square. Denominator square means minus 7 log x plus 10 the bracket square. What is the result of this? Plus agudutta. 56 plus 40 is equal to 96. So 96 divided by this x, I will attach with the denominator expression x into the bracket square. What was that? Minus 7 log x plus 10. Check it out. Is this fine? Okay. Now try for this one. This is all are from CET paper, question papers only. Last question. F of x equal to given x raised to 100 by 100 plus x raised to 99 by 99 plus what will be the next term? X raised to 88 by 88 plus so on up to 1 it is. Then find f dash is 0 they are asking. F dash is 0. So shall I solve for f dash x first? F of x is x raised to 100 by 100 plus x raised to 99 by 99 plus x raised to 88 by 88. Okay. So on plus x plus 1. Okay.